In Monday's daily briefing, Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti began by discussing a spike in the new number of positive cases. In Madison County, a company called Green Empire Farms reported 122 employees that tested positive for coronavirus. 52 of them are seasonal employees that currently reside in Oneida County. Pacenti confirmed 15 new cases of permanent residents, with yesterday's total of new positives at 67. This is the highest number of cases that the county has seen in one day. He said that they are communicating regularly with health officials in Madison County to see how they're responding to the large number of workers who have tested positive. There are now 530 positive cases in Oneida County. Fortunately, no new COVID-19 fatalities were reported. The total number of deaths still stands at 18. 316 cases are still active, 22 patients are hospitalized, and 196 cases are resolved. The daily briefing with Pacenti and the Oneida County Health Department will be live at 3 p.m. on our stations WUTR and WFXV. You can also stream that online on our website, cnyhomepage.com. There are 3 new potential public exposures. On April 29th, an Oneida County resident who tested positive for coronavirus went to the fast track at 384 North Genesee Street in Utica between 10 a.m. and 10:15 a.m. The patient wore a mask while out, so the risk to the public is low. If you were there during that time period, then you should monitor yourself for symptoms until May 13th. On May 1st, an Oneida County resident who tested positive went to the BJ's at 400 River Road in Utica between 4 p.m. and 4:15 p.m. This patient also wore a mask while out, so the risk to the public is low. If you were at BJ's on that day and time, then you should monitor yourself for symptoms until May 15th. An employee at the Walmart located at 710 Horatio Street in Utica tested positive for COVID-19. They worked from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. April 27th to May 3rd, and the patient also wore a mask while working, so the risk to the public is low. Anyone who went to the store during that time period should monitor themselves for symptoms until May 11th to May 17th, depending on when you were there. In all 3 situations, it's not necessary to automatically self-quarantine. If you do begin to develop symptoms that are consistent with coronavirus, immediately contact your healthcare provider. On Wednesday, Oneida County will host a Milk Move giveaway, and this event takes place from 2 to 6 p.m. in the Boscov's parking lot at the Sangertown Mall in New Hartford. Nearly 4,000 gallons of milk will be given away to anyone in need. Residents can receive 2 gallons of milk and a package of cloth masks, all free of charge. This will be a drive-through distribution process, and volunteers will bring the items to each person's vehicle. Everyone is asked to please stay in their vehicles and to not arrive before 2 p.m. Governor Cuomo's daily address is scheduled for 11:30 a.m. and you can stream that live on our website, cnyhomepage.com. Updates will be in the Tuesday evening daily briefing.